Welcome back to AS Motor Zone. Today, I am excited to show you a very special and unique motorhome concept that combines luxury, modern design, and adventure into one powerful vehicle. What you are seeing is a massive Mercedes 6x6 bus-style motorhome with a long and attractive body, black tinted windows, big modern LED headlights, and a fully glossy reflective exterior. This motorhome is designed for people who love long road trips, nature travel, and comfort at the same time. From the first look, this motorhome feels bold and premium. The front design is wide and flat, like a modern luxury bus, not like a truck or SUV. The Mercedes logo sits proudly in the center of the front grille, giving it a strong and elegant identity. The windshield is fully black tinted, which adds to the clean and powerful front look. The modern LED headlights give it a futuristic and stylish appearance, especially when they light up in a showroom or during night driving. This motorhome has a long coach-style body from front to back. It is fully enclosed and smooth, with muscular and attractive body lines. The black-tinted windows run along the entire side, giving it a premium look while also providing privacy inside. The glossy black paint is highly reflective, showing clear reflections of lights, glass walls, and the surrounding environment. This reflective finish makes the motorhome look alive and ultra-realistic, like a high-end concept vehicle from a luxury auto show. The wheel setup of this motorhome is very impressive. It uses a 6x6 configuration with one front axle and two rear axles. That means 6 large off-road tires support this long motorhome body. These tires are made for rough roads, forest paths, jungle trails, and desert surfaces, while still being stable and smooth on highways. The wide wheel arches are integrated perfectly into the body, giving the motorhome a balanced and powerful stance. This motorhome is not just a vehicle, it feels like a luxury home on wheels designed for adventure travel. Now let's move inside and talk about the interior. The driver cabin is modern, clean, and comfortable. The dashboard is designed with digital displays and simple controls that make driving easy and relaxing. The steering wheel feels sporty and premium. The driver's seat is positioned high, giving a wide and clear view of the road ahead. The black-tinted windshield reduces glare and helps keep the cabin calm and cool during daytime driving. Behind the driver cabin, the interior opens into a small but luxurious living area. This motorhome is not about having a huge room, but about smart and premium use of space. The lounge area has one comfortable sofa where a person can sit, relax, or enjoy the view through the tinted windows. The sofa is designed with soft materials and modern colors, giving the interior a rich and stylish feeling. Next to the lounge area, there is a compact kitchen. The kitchen is small but very practical. It includes a counter, storage cabinets, and space for basic cooking needs. Everything is placed neatly so that the interior never feels crowded. The lighting inside is warm and modern, making the space feel cozy and relaxing after a long day of travel. Now let's talk about the sleeping area. This motorhome does not have a big bedroom, but it has a small and comfortable bed designed for rest during trips. The bed is placed in a way that saves space while still providing comfort. It is perfect for short breaks or overnight stays during long journeys through forests, deserts, or highways. The bed area feels clean and quiet, supported by soft interior lighting and smooth wall panels. There is also a small and compact toilet inside this motorhome. It is designed to be simple, clean, and space efficient. Even though it is small, it still feels modern and usable for daily needs. This makes the motorhome more independent and suitable for long adventure trips where facilities are not always available. The interior materials are luxury-focused. The walls, floor, and ceiling are designed with smooth textures and modern colors. Everything looks clean and premium. The black-tinted windows help control sunlight and add to the private and calm interior atmosphere. This motorhome feels like a small luxury apartment on wheels. This motorhome is built for adventure. It can travel on highways, through forests, into jungles, and across desert roads. The strong tires and balanced body make it suitable for many types of terrain. At the same time, the interior keeps the journey comfortable and relaxing. It is designed for people who want to explore nature without giving up luxury. This is my own concept style, and motorhomes like this may become reality in future. On the road, this motorhome would look incredible. Imagine it driving on a wide highway with the sun reflecting on its glossy black body. The LED headlights create a modern look, and the long coach body make it stand out from normal vehicles. It would easily attract attention wherever it goes, not because it is loud, but because it looks premium and powerful. In forest and jungle areas, this motorhome would feel like a perfect travel companion. The off-road tires give it confidence on rough paths. The black-tinted windows protect the interior from strong sunlight and dust. Inside, the lounge and bed provide a comfortable place to rest after a long drive. This makes it ideal for adventure lovers who enjoy exploring nature. This motorhome is not about speed, it is about presence, comfort, and journey. Every part of it is designed to feel premium and practical. The exterior shows strength and style. The interior shows comfort and simplicity. Together, they create a balanced motorhome experience. The modern LED headlights are another important feature. They are big and stylish, giving the front face a futuristic look. At night, they would light up the road clearly and make the motorhome look dramatic and cinematic. The lighting design matches the luxury and modern theme of the vehicle. The black windshield and black-tinted windows create a unified look from front to back. There is no visual break in the design. Everything feels connected and smooth. This gives the motorhome a strong identity and a clean appearance. The glossy, reflective body is one of the most attractive parts of this design. It reflects the showroom lights, the environment, and the sky when outside. This reflective finish makes the motorhome look ultra-realistic and premium, like a high-end concept vehicle from a luxury auto show. This motorhome is designed for people who love traveling with comfort. It is for those who want to drive long distances, stop in beautiful locations, and still enjoy luxury inside. It is for adventure trips through forests and jungles, and for peaceful nights parked under open skies. This is my own concept style, and motorhomes like this may become reality in future. Every detail of this motorhome focuses on balance. Balance between size and beauty. Balance between adventure and comfort. Balance between strong exterior and luxury interior. It is not too complicated and it is not too simple. It feels just right for modern travel needs. The driver cabin feels confident and modern. The lounge feels relaxing. The bed feels practical. The toilet feels compact and useful. Together, these parts make the motorhome complete. This concept motorhome shows how design and function can work together. It shows how a long bus-style body can be transformed into a luxury motorhome. It shows how off-road tires can be combined with a premium look. It shows how adventure and comfort can exist in the same vehicle. At the end of the day, this motorhome is about the journey. It is about seeing new places, enjoying nature, and traveling in style. It is about having your own moving home that can take you anywhere. This is my own concept style, and motorhomes like this may become reality in future. Thank you for watching this detailed tour of this Mercedes 6x6 luxury bus-style motorhome. If you enjoyed this concept, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to AS Motor Zone for more unique motorhome and vehicle concept videos. I will see you in the next one.